Hi there, students. In concert. Okay, this has at least two different meanings. Firstly, you can go and see a band or a group in concert. You go and see them live. So, when I was young, I saw the Ramones in concert. True. But we can also use this phrase in concert, meaning together, working together with. So acting jointly. So we are working in concert with the sales department to make this work. Government and the local authorities are acting in concert to try to resolve this problem. So notice in concert, this is an adverbial phrase. To work in concert with someone, to act in concert with someone. Yeah? To do something in concert with. Yeah? Is to act jointly. Yeah, legally, the accused, in concert with Mr. Hughes over there, is accused of doing this. Yeah, in concert with, joint action, doing something together. Yeah, so in concert, act together. I asked the students a question and they all shouted the answer in concert. Yeah, if a number of people do things in concert, they do it together, they do it jointly, either in unison, yeah, at the same time. I said the word go, and in concert everybody got up. But to do something in concert with someone, you do the bits that you're good at and they do the bits that they're good at, and this makes it easier to do, acting in a coordinated way with a common purpose. Yeah, so in cooperation with. The police, in concert with the firemen or the fire department, have been investigating this. Yeah, to plan something in concert. Yeah, in cooperation with. So I planned the event with my friend John. Okay, to work in concert on something. Yeah, together. Yeah, an agreement. It's got this sense of an agreement between two groups to work on the same thing. Yeah, so to do something in concert, to act in concert, to progress in concert. So as to formality in concert, I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality, maybe 5.5. We did it in concert, we did it together, maybe 6. I think I would probably say together or jointly more informally, but I think in concert, in my opinion, use it absolutely anywhere. It's got the idea of concerted. And then as to origin, it comes from Italian concerto. Yeah, concerto, which is a concert. Yeah, a piece of music. Yeah, a concert, and then, well, we now use that to mean in acting jointly. Yeah, the European countries must act in concert to resist these pressures. And then remember as well, you can use in concert just to talk about, I saw the band in concert, I saw them giving a live performance. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. In concert.